Alright, it's day 2 in Mauritius, and it's not off to the best start. I woke up at 2:30 in the morning and was unable to fall asleep, so now it's like 8:30, and I'm finally exhausted, but now it's super loud in the hotel, so guess I'm gonna be tired until tonight. Gonna go get the hotel breakfast, and I didn't plan anything for today except for just walking around the town because I thought I might be tired, so at least that was good. Alright, it looks good. I got some fresh squeezed tropical juice, a coffee, over easy egg, and this crepe with chocolate sauce and fresh coconut in it, some papaya, and some bacon. So let's dig in. Alright, I took a nap because I was really suffering and I'm feeling worlds better. I'm so tired, but I should be able to get through the day because it was questionable earlier for sure. So yeah, realize I'm walking distance from Grand Baie. So let's go check out Trou aux Biches. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but that's where I'm staying, and Grand Baie. Alright, so I stopped in the office and the guy gave me a lot of suggestions, which was really nice. So now I'm just going walking like I like to do. And it's a lovely day. I love this country. Honestly, I feel so safe. I have my headphones in, which I just about never walk around in a country I'm not really familiar with earbuds in, because I like to be able to be alert of my surroundings. But yeah, the only thing uncomfortable here is taxi drivers honking to see if I want to ride, which has startled me. So I'm wearing my earbuds. Yeah, it's just a gorgeous walk on this road that's adjacent to the beach. I noticed a lot of these restaurants and stuff are closed. It makes me wonder if they went out of business during the pandemic or what. The road on the map does not seem to align with the road in real life. But there's a trail that runs out here along the waterfront, which seems to follow the road I'm supposed to take a lot more closely. So I'm gonna do that. This is really nice. This is the beach where I was recommended to go for snorkeling. This is cool. Some guy just approached me and invited me to a barbecue at his villa, or at his friend's villa on Saturday. Okay, the guy's name that he gave me is different than the name on the Instagram, and also he's got no posts and no pictures. It's a no from me. This is the most beautiful pigeon I've ever seen. Come back. You're gorgeous. Come back. I got a fresh juice from this little shop. It's hot out. It's not prohibitively hot out, but it's hot. The one with the white is a boy?
Yes, he's strong. And sometimes he likes a beautiful girlfriend also. Singing with them.
You feed the dogs?
Dogs also, yes. I like to some food for them. Some biscuit to buy it. I like it. I have 11, maybe some 11 dogs. No baby now because already operate.
Oh, okay.
Good. Otherwise, before it was too much.
Yeah.
Too much food. At 5 o'clock or 4:50, like this they come.
They know it's dinner time.
Yes, they know their time. Yes.
That's cool.
Yeah.
The shop lady was so nice. I like her. How did you get in there? How are you gonna get out? So I just picked up some snacks to try later from this little market. The guy requested that I put the name of the market up on the channel. So there you go. If you want to try some snacks, try the same snacks I'm trying, you can go here. Some of these areas have dubious walking situation going on. It's pretty. I'm starting to enter Grand Baie now. Alright, I'm gonna try this Eden Beach restaurant. It's pretty. Alright, my meal is here. I got some foie gras and some crispy squid. It looks really good. So pretty out there. There's like a cliff. I was told by the hotel staff that there was a cool Hindu temple down here worth checking out. So gonna check that out and then probably get the bus back because the sun's gonna set in like an hour. Maybe I'll walk part of it, but we'll see. They got a sensual seafood experience over here. I'm not sure what exactly that means. Sounds intense. Okay.
We go inside. You can take off your sock. I'm Sandy, S-A-N-D-Y. People say it's a girl name. I don't know why.
Maybe in English, yeah.
In our culture, we have a lot of statues, but if I explain you, everything will take 1 month.
Is Shiva?
Yeah, we have Shiva. Shiva have I will show you inside. Shiva
Okay.
is the main god for the Hindu. Our god is Muruga. Muruga is the brother of Ganesha. Ganesha is the elephant head.
Yes.
And Muruga is the other brother.
Ganesha.
This is Ganesha. You will always say Ganesha with the fruits here.
Okay.
Yeah. Always a big belly. Because his parents tell to Ganesha and Muruga, you guys go around the world. The one who will arrive first will get these fruits and can get married. But he was sitting, eating. Muruga go on his bird, peacock, around the world, relieve the world. And his parents say, why don't you go see, have time? Then he go around his mother and his father. For him, his world is his parent, so he win.
Oh, okay.
Then we don't know who is right. He go, the other one really go around the world. This one just.
He's like me. I have a belly and I like fruit.
I love eating this. So if you are so this is called Nandi. Nandi is a mother cow. This is why in the Tamil religion we don't eat cow because it's a mother who gives milk.
Okay. You can have the milk though?
Yeah, let me. I eat everything. my personal culture, my personal religion is no lying, no cheating. Do whatever you want, just leave me alone. Lead and let live. This is me. Shiva, the father, Ganesha on the left, and Muruga is on the right. So we have like here, you see the Om is like the Catholic, like the cross.
Oh.
For Muruga. So he took off his head, and then the mother said, "What are you doing? It's our son." Then he said to everybody, "Try to find the first head, animal head. Anybody with a head, bring it to me." Then they find the elephant, they put the head on his head. You know, originally his head is on the top. You see?
Yeah. Hey.
If you stay on the main road, you don't see the Mauritian light.
Yeah.
But when you met people, when you don't know, you hey, come eat. And this is Mauritius. When you go on the beach, people partying, you go with them, don't eat. But this is Mauritian people.
There's fish in a bathtub. Interesting. I'm hanging out here in this tour guide's yard. This is exciting. Merci. Well, that was fun. That was total chaos, but that was fun. Yay, I made it back. Let's get a drink and then call it a night because I am still jet lagged. And I'm going to walk with some lions in the morning. Hello, lizard. All right, it's time for bed. See you tomorrow. Hi, I hope you enjoyed watching my day. I put out new videos every Friday, so please subscribe to my travel blog and come with me as I plan to visit every country in the world.